with Body Movement Physical Therapy. I just want to go over a couple quick things that you can do, like pre-run or pre-activity to loosen up your hamstrings. And here I have just one of the massage sticks. It's the easiest thing to use in case you can't travel with a big roller, can't really put that in the car with you, just want to do something really super quick. Even though we're talking about the hamstrings, don't want to forget about trying to roll out actually the front of your leg up towards the thigh, the hip that is, and then just getting that front area for maybe a minute or two. Sometimes we're a little bit bunched up in that muscle group in the front, and that doesn't allow some of the bending that we need, the hip flexion that we need to have the hamstring move and the hip region to move freely. So I like to do a little bit to the front. Don't forget that front region. You can use that same stick for the back, the hamstring region, rolling that out. And of course, you can always use a foam roller if you have one. Then after you're done doing the rolling for 1, 2, 3 minutes to each side, then you can go into more of a dynamic stretching. Hands are on the hips. You could also use a PVC. Hands on the hips, and then just hinge back and forth, making sure you keep that nice flat back position. And I like this dynamic stretch to go back and forth, maybe 20 or 30 times. You can also go back and forth between your rolling or your foam rolling for that area, for both areas, and then go back into your dynamic stretching again with bending forward, making sure that you're hinging.